Hello again, guys. All right, welcome to part 2 of our Law of Sines. All right, there's a special situation when we have side-side angle, if you remember back from your geometry days. And then this is the case where I kind of showed you in the last one, I could have 2 angles at work, or 1, or none. So in this case, watch what I have here. They've given me this case 1, a side, and then the angle. So that's the situation we're looking for, and I'm looking for that angle B right there. Okay? So I set up my pair that I know. Sine of 30 goes with 12. So sine of 30 over 12 equals sine of B over 20. And then if you remember that sine of 30 is 1/2, I'm going to multiply by 20 by that. 20 times 1/2 would be 10. 10 over 12 equals sine of angle B. Okay, that's 5/6. So arcsine of angle B is 5/6. This will be my reference angle. And this is the case here. Well, it could be like different things here. If it was over 1, though, there'd be no possible solutions. If it's under 1, I have 2 possible solutions. And remember, as long as my angles don't add up to over 180, then those are all good solutions, like in my last example. So make sure your calculator is in degrees. Arcsine of 5/6 is 56.4 degrees. So angle B, 56.4. Okay, and that is a reference angle. Again, sine is positive, we're looking for both these two. So our reference angle is 56.4, 180 minus 56.4 for the other one. That is 123.6. Okay, so 123.6 degrees, 56.4 degrees. Is this one okay? Well, I've got 30 plus 123.6 is 153.6. That's less than 180, so that's a good one, that's a good one. There's 2 possible triangles. I tried to show you my picture. Imagine the side here, like it can bend right there. If it's long enough, it can come down and touch there. That's the acute angle. That would be the 56.4. And if I were to continue swinging it around, I hope you can see that as I swing that, it would touch there, and then it would again touch over there. And this is the obtuse angle. That's the 123.6 degree triangle that it could make. So this is called the ambiguous case. All right? The other 2 are quicker over here. Okay, this is the exact same situation here, except side A is 10. So everything's identical in the triangle. So I set up my problem just like last time. This is 10 instead of 12 this time. Okay, again, sine of 30 is 1/2. 20 times 1/2 is 10. 10 over 10 is 1. So, arcsine of angle B equals 1. And if you remember, where does sine equal 1? That's right here at the top. That's only one place, so angle B has to be 90 degrees. And of course, if I had to, I would go solve the rest of the triangle with that. So what's happening here is when I swing this down, this side, it just nicks it right there, and if I go further, it passes it, so it makes a right angle right there. There's only one possibility for that triangle. In our last case, this is now 8, so it's shorter, and we'll see, what if I swing it down and it never touches? Well, then it can't make a triangle at all. That's what's going to happen here. It's the exact same situation. This is 1/2 times 20 when I multiply it. Is going to be 10. This is 10 over 8 equals sine of angle B. Okay, and that'll be what, 5/4? Arcsine of angle B is 5/4, and if you do that in your calculator, you'll get an error. And if you remember, the maximum value of sine is 1, which is at the top of the circle. So this has no solutions. There are no triangles possible in this case. All right? Okay, sine law for the year here, guys. It's our last lesson, your last assignment again. If you do all the assignments, then I'll give you some bonus points for doing them all. But that's our last one, due next Wednesday like normal. I'll be logging on Friday. If you have questions, email me or respond to Google Classroom for whatever problems you need help with. And hope it goes well for you. Thank you.